Hello friends, hope you are all doing great. Nowadays, due to the sedentary lifestyle and intake of junk foods, lots of people are having the diabetes issues. Today I am going to prepare a healthy recipe which is very effective for those who are having diabetes and obesity. Everybody can take this healthy recipe in your daily diet to maintain a good health. Let's see how to prepare it. Let's see the ingredients. At first we are going to make the dosha batter. For that I have taken a blender. We have to add the ingredients one by one. First we have to add 1 cup ragi flour. It is otherwise called finger millet flour. Ragi lowers your blood sugar level in the body by activating insulin. The high amount of dietary fiber keeps the stomach full for a longer and prevents unwanted cravings. This in turn leads to a minimized appetite and weight loss. Ragi prevents obesity and chronic diseases. It also provides energy, improves digestion and boosts the immunity. Next we have to add 1 stalk of curry leaves. The fiber content in curry leaves slows down digestion and doesn't metabolize quickly, which keeps your blood sugar in control. It also boosts your insulin activity. Curry leaves helps our body to detoxify naturally, burn more calories and avoid fat accumulation. Curry leaves have loads of other health benefits too. If you want, you can check the link given in the description box to know more about its uses. Strip off the leaves from the stalk and add it into the blender. Next add 8 to 10 black peppercorns. Black pepper controls the blood sugar level and improves the cholesterol levels due to its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Next add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Cumin seeds manages your blood sugar level and removes the bad cholesterol. Next we have to add 3 cardamom. Due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, it helps in regulating the blood sugar levels. Next add 1 teaspoon of rock salt powder or indupu. It has lots of medicinal values. I have given the link in the description box about its uses. You can check it from there. Next add 1/4 teaspoon of organic turmeric powder. Curcumin, an antioxidant present in turmeric, decreases the level of glucose in blood and also prevent from diabetes-related complications. Next we have to add half glass of water. This helps to blend it easily. Next we have to add 1 cup sprouted mung beans. It is an alternative food for those who are having diabetes due to its high fiber content, low calorie and low glycemic index. It also promotes weight loss by suppressing hunger due to its high protein content. Mung bean sprouts are generally good for all doshas. It increases the skin complexion and also nourishes and increases the physical strength. Now pour the remaining half glass of water and blend it. We don't need to blend it so nicely. After blending, the mixture will be like this. Now we have to pour this batter to a bowl. At last we have to add 1 full fist of moringa leaves, the leaves of drumstick tree. Moringa contains rich fiber which helps to regulate blood sugar and also helps to clean out digestive tract and liver. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, it decreases the fat formation in the body and improves the fat breakdown. Thus it helps in loss weight. Moringa contains the major beauty vitamins. This promotes your own natural collagen production, which fights the signs of aging by keeping the skin firm and preventing wrinkles. It also improves the male sexual function under stressful conditions. We have to mix the dosha batter nicely. The consistency should be like this. Now take a pan and heat the pan. When the pan gets heated, pour 1 big spoon of dosha batter into the pan. Make the dosha in a circular manner like this. When it is semi-cooked, spread some ghee over the dosha. I am using the homemade ghee. Fatty acids present in homemade ghee helps in metabolizing and balancing high blood sugar. Ghee helps in mobilizing fat cells to be burned for energy. Further helps to reduce the unwanted body fat. When one side cooked, cook the other side too. Also spread some ghee over the other side too. When the dosha is completely cooked, we can take the dosha from the pan and transfer to a plate. Now we can cook the doshas with the remaining batter in the same way. This is a very healthy dosha, can be served along with any type of chutneys and curries. Today I am serving along with moringa chutney. This is the best combination recipe for diabetes and obesity. I hope this recipe helps a lot for maintaining and prevents from lifestyle diseases. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and share it to your loved ones. If you hadn't subscribed my channel yet, please do it so that you will get more healthy updates from me. See you friends. Thank you. Have a beautiful weekend.